Hello everyone, this is a quick video on how to fix your issues with Upsell X and mainly how to make it work if you don't have a designated card page, but instead you have a card drawer or a card pop-out. So a card drawer is basically a card that appears in page like this. So if I click add to card, it doesn't go to slash cards, but instead it loads the card inside the page. So a lot of people like that. A lot of stores have it, and it's okay to work with Upsell X, but it needs a little bit of tweaking because otherwise Upsell X doesn't know when to activate. So in order to fix that, what needs to happen is to add a specific class to the button that is clicked that is going to tell to Upsell X to initialize at this moment. It's super simple. What you need to do is you need to go to your teams, and in your teams you're going to see your team, and you need to say actions, edit code, and when you click on edit code, it's going to load your code base of the team. So normally this button is supposed to be in the product template. So when you say product, here you're going to see all the templates, sections, and snippets. So here you need to do a little bit of investigation to find out where exactly your button is stored, but usually it's something in a section called either product template, or sometimes it's product form or something like this. So once you find it, you need to find the button. Usually it has a button tag, so it's super easy to click Command or Control F and to just say button. And here you're gonna see, okay, this is the add to cart section, button type, and ID and class. So here, what you need to do is just add another class. So you need to find where it ends, and it ends here. So here you need to add another class called gs dash upsell dash x dash init, which is not going to change anything on how your store looks or works, but it's just going to signal to Upsell X to initialize the app. So once you save it, you can refresh your page. And now if we click add to cart, Upsell X now should know that this is the button that needs to activate it. And if we click on checkout, you can see it's working. Just keep in mind that when you do it, you should wait for like 2-3 seconds before you click on checkout, so you're sure that the JavaScript is loaded. One more thing is that you need to also add it on the cart icon, because for example, if I go on the home page and I click here, it's not going to initialize. So we also need to find this, and in our case, this is in header.liquid. It should be in some kind of a header liquid file, and you need to find your cart icon. So here it's marked as cart. So we take the cart and we're going to add the same class. So we find the class and we add again js upsell x in it. So we're saving, and then when we go to the home page, what is going to happen is that once we click again on the cart, this time it's going to initialize. So if I click checkout now, you see it's working. So that's it. Just keep in mind that usually it's quite tough to work with card drawers, so they don't always work because it's very dynamic. So we would definitely recommend, if you want to make sure everything is working perfectly in terms of upsells, to use a card page, dedicated card page. But if you want to keep the card drawer, then you should do this, and it should be working 99% of the time.